should I live in Dubai or leave Dubai?
Yeah.
Because a lot of people are in a panic, and a lot of people left
Yeah.
just because of the panic
Yeah.
and social media and everything.
Yeah.
So what's your answer for someone who is thinking like that?
I mean, you go to the airport today, okay, and you decide that you're leaving the country. You go to the airport, you are checking in for your flight. You're welcomed by this notification. Thank you for visiting Dubai or part of being Dubai. Right, that is how you are leaving this country these days. So it's a personal decision for everybody. But for myself, I'd say I'm safer in Dubai with all that is going on, rather than any other part of the world. Comparing certain situations of other parts of world to Dubai is not fair to Dubai. We have to be fair as well. Here in Dubai, I'm not being robbed.
Hmm.
Whatever is happening in the skies, I know whatever is being happening is happening is being happening on the skies only, right?
Yeah.
I'm not being robbed. I'm not being taxed unfairly. Okay,
Right.
my family is safe. The leadership actually cares. They are providing. They are standing up. The infrastructure is so good that wherever you look at, it's clean, like
Hmm.
clean, like pure clean. And I was literally on call yesterday, and I was telling my friend that Dubai people, they care about cleanliness. It was that clean, and it's raining these days.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So because of all of these factors, so I would ask someone, okay, I understand you. I hear you. You don't want to be like, people come up with all sorts of, situations. Okay, I don't want to be bombed. I don't want to die in the drone attack and stuff like that. I don't want to hear that voice because or the notification, right?
Hmm.
That scares me. And I'm like, that scares you where the government actually is saving you, where 400 missiles were shot at, were sent towards Dubai, and 400 of them were intercepted, all of them with 100% accuracy,
Wow.
intercepted. That scares you, but this doesn't scare you that you are leaving a country and going to a country where there are chances of you getting robbed or stabbed
Yeah.
are more than being bombed or
So simply,
anything like that.
so like it's not a danger, but still
Yeah.
your mind is saying like this is a danger. But
Yeah.
this is for a very short period.
Yeah.
But if you go to your country, let's say for London,
Yeah.
okay, so crime rate is so high,
It's high.
right? Super high,
Yeah.
and there like maybe you get robbed, maybe you
Yeah.
get killed. So like the chances of something bad happening to you is higher
Higher there than here.
than here,
Yes, absolutely.
right? Even in this situation, I don't want to take how do I say side of Dubai.
Yeah.
But still, I'm saying because even though like this is just a situation that
Yeah.
is people believing
Yeah.
that it's a danger, but still I'm walking on the street and I don't have fear of
Yeah.
and that is uh, one thing. One video I watched, someone is leaving the phone
Mm.
on the ground and coming back and like and
Yeah.
that is true. I believe
Yeah.
that now.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
believe that once
Yeah. Yeah.
I've spent some months
Yeah.
and I said like yeah.
Absolutely. Because see, the thing is, there was a marketing campaign in London itself where phone snatching is such a big problem that police itself is facing a huge problem, controlling that. So there was a marketing campaign there saying that can you leave your phone in the streets of Birmingham and come back, find it again, and you can in Dubai.
Yeah.
Basically saying people leave their cars unlocked there in the parking. People, forget their phones in the metro. I have personally experienced it. I forgot my phone in the metro a few years back, and I it's so amazing that when I rushed back to the metro, I found my phone exactly placed on in the same place
Since
where
it
I
yeah.
left it before, initially.
Yeah.
So that's how safe Dubai is, and you're leaving this safety and going to some place where you, you experience a phone
Yeah, yeah,
snatching.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
That fear itself is gonna haunt you in your dreams, honestly speaking. You'll not be able to use your phone in the public again.
Even if you go to very safe place,
Yeah.
you will be in the mindset like,
You'll
oh,
be
maybe
very
someone.
cautious,
Yeah,
very
yeah, yeah, yeah,
cautious,
yeah.
and you'll
True,
be
true, true.
always, looking over your shoulders. Whereas, and you look at the data, like, every country, the safety and the security of every country is analyzed with all these factors and including the military factor as well. The military factor of UAE is that it has proven itself, you know, better than anyone else as well. Can you name any other country who has intercepted with 100% accuracy?
I don't think so.
Exactly. I mean, mm, okay. Can you name any place where something fell and caused a devastating effect? No.
Hmm.
Everywhere where anything was falling was debris already intercepted, and
Hmm.
that's out of control of anybody.
Yeah,
I mean,
even if you go like, let's say strongest military USA, like they
exactly.
can't,
I
it will
I
drop
mean,
and
you cannot, jump
yeah, yeah,
from
yeah,
the
yeah,
from the
yes,
ground and catch
yeah,
it
yeah,
and
yeah,
put it in your
yeah,
pocket and be like, okay, I caught it now.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Right? That's what the definition of interception is,
Right, right, right,
right?
exactly.
If anybody understands it.